Are you having issues with making a full lace wig? You don't know how to ventilate a full lace, you don't know where to start, you don't know where to stop, you don't know how to go about it. If this is your case, then stick with me to the end of this video, because this is exactly what I'm going to show you people, how you can vent your full lace from A to Z. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. Okay, so these are the materials we need. We need our braiding hair, we need our full lace, we need our ventilating pin, of course. So when you want to vent a full lace, please make sure that the part that have the hook is always inside place. So when I'm done securing the full lace on my mannequin head, the first thing I'm going to do now is to vent through my hairline. If you don't know how to customize a perfect hairline, please check my channel. I already have a video on that. So I'm just going to vent through my channel. Sorry, I'm just going to vent through the hairline. Okay, so I'll start with a vertical line first. Okay, and I'll be picking just a strand of hair, then I'll skip the next line, I'll vent on the next one. Okay, I skip the next one and I vent on the next line, just like that, following my customized hairline. Okay, I'm just following the marked hairline. If you can see it, you see where I marked. Like I said, if you don't know how to customize a perfect hairline, please check my channel. Okay, so I'll vent on a line, I skip a line, so I'll continue like this till I get to the end of this. You can actually start from the center, but please make sure when you start from the center, you can go to your left or to your right. Okay, please do not start from the center and leave it and then go ahead and start from the other end. You're going to miss it. So I'm venting on a line, I skip a line, just like that. Like I said earlier, I'm picking just a strand. So this is it when I'm done with the hairline. So next thing now is to move over to the first part of a full lace. A full lace normally have three parts. We have the back side, we have the center, and then the front. So for this back side now, I'll be venting when after the 10 holes. Okay, I counted 10 holes, so from the third 10 holes I started ventilating. So I'll be venting on a line, I skip a line. For this part now, I'll be picking two strands of hair. Okay, when you're working with a braiding hair, it's always advisable to go with 2 strands for your back and then for your center. Then from your front, okay, you pick 1 to some point and then you switch over to 2. But if you are venting with a hair or a blend, you can go with 3 strands for your back. Okay, so I'm venting on a line and I skip a line. Okay, so this pattern is the vertical horizontal pattern. So coming to the holes now, I'm going to be skipping 2 holes. Okay, I skip the first one, skip the second one, then on the third one I vent. Skip the first one, skip second, and the third one I vent. So this pattern is called the one line. Remember, we skipped a line, then for the holes we are skipping 2 holes. Okay, this pattern is called the one line 2 holes pattern of ventilation. So I'm skipping 2 holes. Okay, like when I'm skipping 1 complete hole in between the lines, 1 complete hole in between the lines. So I'll continue like this. Please, the lace that covers the hook part, always vent on it too. Sometimes it's difficult to vent, especially when you're working with a lace that has a darker, the hook part is very dark, so it might be difficult for you to actually see through the holes, but try as much as possible to see through it and vent on it too. So I'll continue like this now, and then for the side, I'm actually going to show you guys how I do vent this side. Please continue watching. So this is how far I have gone like I said, I'm not going to show you people how I do vent this side. Okay, this goes for both sides. I mean, we are trying to cover the hook part. Okay, so when I'm venting the side part, I do a diagonal pattern of ventilation as if I'm venting diagonally. I'm just trying to cover the hook part. Okay, I'm trying to cover the hook part. So you see that I switched over to the diagonal part, sorry, the diagonal pattern, just to, as if I'm using the diagonal pattern of ventilation just to cover the hook part. I'll repeat this same process for the other side. Okay, so if you know you are finding any value from this video, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell, and please give this video a like. If you have any confusion or any question, please let me know in the comment section. Please like, share, comment. Okay, thank you guys. So I will continue like this now till I get to the end. Then I'll still continue with my one line, two holes, picking two strands of hair. So guys, if you actually want to know how to vent your full lace, okay, especially when you want to use it for braiding, then do not skip any part of this video at all. Do not skip any part of this video. Stick with me to the end of this video so that I'll be able to show you guys everything, like A to Z, or how you can vent your full lace. Keep watching.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, 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 I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver.
So guys, this is how far I've gone. You see that the hook part is covered. Okay, I vented on it also. Okay, remember I'm picking two strands of hair and I'm skipping a line, and for the holes I'm skipping a hole. Okay, so this is exactly what I'll continue doing till I'm done with this first part, which is the back side. Like I said, the full lace has three parts. It has the back side, it has the center, then the front. If you don't do the right thing, you're actually going to miss this. Okay, you will miss venting your full lace. Some persons, when they are done venting their full lace, when it's not time for them to part it, they find it difficult to part, especially when they want to use it for braiding, because they didn't do the right thing. Okay, so that's why you have me here to guide you guys through. Okay, I made videos on ventilation, braiding, hairstyles, and other stuff. So if you know you are here to subscribe, consider subscribing, like, comment. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so guys, when I'm done with the back side, now we are moving over to the second part before we get to the front. So for this center part now, I'll start with a vertical line. It doesn't matter where you decide to start, you can start from the center. Okay, but please start with a vertical line and do not skip wherever place you decide to start and move over to the next part, the next end, then coming back to where you started. You are going to miss it. So from wherever you decide to start, either the center or the end, please, from there you can move to your right, or from there to your left. Starting with a vertical line. Okay, remember what we are skipping two holes. then I skip the next line, I vent on the next one, just like that. The first vertical line I did will actually serve as a guide. That's why I say always start with a vertical line if you don't want to miss this center part. So guys, keep watching. So when you are venting this center part, guys, do not go the way, see the way I'm pointing, okay? If you go that way, you're actually going to hate it at the end, because when you try to part it, it is very, very difficult to part. Okay, always start with a vertical line. The first vertical line we did will serve as a guide for you. So I'm still picking two strands of hair, guys. Remember I said if you're working with braiding hair, please 2 strands is okay, do not exceed that. But if you're working with human hair on blend, you can go for 3 strands. All right, please guys, keep watching.
It feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking.
So guys, this is how far I have gone. Okay, so I am not doing anything different. Still the same thing, skipping my one line and then 2 holes, just like that, picking two strands of hair. Please guys, if you know you are here to subscribe, I've gotten to this point, you've watched this video to this point, please, what is keeping you? Just hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. If you have any question, let me know. If there's anything you want me to make video on, let me know. Okay, I will do that. So I'll continue like this till I'm done with the center side. So coming to the front side now, I will start with one of the vertical lines, okay, matching with the one we vented, okay, matching with one of the vertical lines we ventilated while we are doing our hairline. Okay, so I'll skip 2 holes just like what we were doing before now. So I started with a vertical line. This one will now serve as a guide for me. So from that vertical line, I'll skip a line and vent on the next one. It will still match with our hairline, because we did one line, we skipped one line when we are doing our hairline. So this is what I'm doing, and please, I'm picking a strand, okay, from the first 1 inch, okay, just from 1 inch to your hairline, pick a strand of hair. So after that 1 inch now, then switch over to your normal 2 strands. Okay, so please guys, continue watching.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly.
So I will continue this way, okay, picking a strand like I said, from the first inch to your hairline, pick a strand. Then when you are done, you can switch over to your two strands. So guys, I have a video coming up on how you can make a blunt cut twist wig. Okay, if it sounds like something you'll be interested in, then why not consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload that video you will get notified. Okay, subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on the notification bell. It's important you do that so that once I upload new videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to make video on, there's something you don't understand, please ask your question. Okay, ask your question in the comment section. Okay, so this is exactly what I'll continue doing. I have my guide, I have everything, so just for me to just vent, following the making sure it's matching with the lines I vented already. Okay, so that when I'm parting, when you do this, you get it right when you're parting, especially when you're using it for your braiding, you love the outcome. But when you miss it, your work won't look neat at all. I'll be making a video soon on how you can actually vent a full lace using the in-between line. Remember, this pattern we have different patterns of ventilation. We have the diagonal, we have horizontal, we have we have vertical, then we have in between. So I'll be making a video on how you can vent a full lace using the in-between lines, and I'll equally tell you guys in that particular video the uses when you should use in-between line when you are venting a full lace. Okay, so if it sounds like something you'll be interested in, consider subscribing. If you don't subscribe, when I upload, you will not know, you won't know, YouTube might not suggest that particular video to you. So that's why it's important you subscribe, you like, okay, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload that video, you won't get to miss any video from me, guys. I try as much as possible to always make my videos simple and very detailed that anyone can follow through. Okay, and this is the final look when I'm done. Just look at this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.